Hello, team. Okay, so development is a huge assignment. It is broken into three different theories, three different developmental theories, and it's a lot of work. So we're going to break it into 3 days. And so part 1 is all about Piaget and his stages of development. Okay, so let's walk through how to do this. Okay, the easiest way to start, obviously, friends, is to go to home screen. Okay. Remember that you're going to scroll down. We are working in learning target 4. Okay. We did success criteria 1 yesterday, so that means that we are working through success criteria 2 today. Please ignore this. We're going to just do this together as a group, briefly just talking about it together tomorrow during our class meeting. Scroll on down and you are going to be working on this first link. The first part of the first link. Okay, explanations of human development. Sorry. You are going to work through this first part. What does lifespan development study? This should take you 2 minutes tops. Read, answer the questions. And then this is our big chunk for today, Piaget's cognitive development. Okay? Here's Piaget in his happy, old, wise days. I put on here a slide share link that has the slides and all the information that you need. Super easy to get your info from there. I also put 2 video links right here. I'll fix those. Anywho, use those for information. You are going to fill out the chart, this chart with the different stages. The Word document is right here. This is the information that you need to fill out. For each stage of development, you are going to briefly describe what occurs at that stage, okay? This is a background. So for each stage, you are going to briefly describe summarize the stage. What goes on during the stage? What are some milestones that individuals hit during that stage? What are some behaviors they pick up? What are some lessons that they learn? What are examples?
I'm not sure I understand.
Okay? For each stage, there are also specific pieces of information that you have to define and describe, okay? Like, so for the first stage, you are going to, after you give us background information, you are going to explain object permanence. So for example, if you're playing with your infant niece and you take her Barbie and you put it underneath a blanket, she thinks that the Barbie is gone. She starts crying. She becomes very upset because the Barbie's gone, because she doesn't have the development yet to know that the Barbie is underneath the blanket. It is still there. It's still a thing. It still exists. It's just behind the blanket. Okay? So you're going to explain that. Danger, stranger, danger. You're going to go through each stage and you are going to break down what goes on during that stage. Okay? After you are finished with the chart, you are going to apply your knowledge with question 2. So select someone that you know and identify what stage of cognitive development they are in. So for instance, if you have a cousin and you see them throwing a fit every time, their toy is moved, then you know that they're in the first stage. Okay, so you're going to do that. Pick someone you know, obviously. It might be easier to do someone in your household, but it's up to you. And that is it. I know this sounds like it's quick, but having to find the information for each stage is going to take you time. That's why you're going to have all day today. We will go over it very briefly at the beginning of class on Wednesday, and then we will dive into our second part of development, which is Erik Erikson, another very famous theory when it comes to development. Okay? All right. Have a great day. I shall see you. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please reach out via team message because it's easier and faster to get a hold of me that way. Have a great day.